Hi, my name is Mike Coleman. I'm a senior product manager at VMware focused on 3D graphics for the end user computing division. So we're here at VMworld 2013 at Moscone Center in San Francisco. We're in the end user computing part of the VMware booth where we've actually enabled all of our virtual machines with Nvidia grid technology. So we've got shared graphics on every machine in here except for the two behind me, where we're actually using the dedicated graphics pass-through technology to enable the highest level computing experience, running big graphical workloads back here like you see with Cinema 4D. So with direct pass-through graphics, what you get is a virtual machine that's been enabled with its own dedicated GPU. That's going to allow you to run the widest spectrum of applications and handle the widest spectrum of workloads. We can do everything up to including high-end applications here like Cinema 4D. With shared graphics, as the name implies, we actually take a bank of GPUs and we share them across multiple virtual machines. This is great for your sort of power users, people who have to review 3D models, not necessarily do heavy editing, but they need to take a look at them and maybe make minor changes. You can take a single GPU shared across multiple users and really improve the end user experience for customers across the board. For more information about the joint solutions from VMware and Nvidia, you can check out nvidia.com/VDI.
Hi there, I'm Oliver Clements. I'm a graphic designer, motion graphic designer from London in the UK. I'm here today at VMworld 2013 with Cinema 4D on a PC over IP virtual machine. It's pretty awesome. I've only really been using it in the VM for a day now, and after about the first 25 minutes I've completely forgotten that it was a VM. 3D performance is excellent, on par with anything that I've used back on a real machine. So really impressive. Wouldn't have ever really considered using a VM in this line of work because obviously the 3D performance is I've never seen it this good. But now, obviously, with having one graphics card in a server available to multiple machines, it seems to make more sense now. Well, it would be good to have this in my workplace. It would save so much. It would save a lot of money. So obviously, when I go to clients, I have to take hard drives, big heavy laptops. I mean, this would really revolutionise. You could just turn up with an iPad and show them everything in this quality, as if I had a really powerful computer right there. This will run also on any iPad or any kind of device with a Verizon View client. So being able to drop into a really powerful virtual machine with all my work on it would be excellent. I mean, I could work pretty much from anywhere at any time on anything, and not have to worry about version control too much. Certainly between all my machines currently, I have 4 or 5 different machines with Cinema 4D on, and keeping all the files up to date is a real pain. So it would be great to have. I want it at home now.
Hi, I'm Mike Brennan with Cisco Systems. We're at VMworld 2013, and we're doing a demo here in our booth that incorporates our Cisco UCS C240 M3 servers with a Nvidia card K2 graphics accelerator card. And our demo is running VMware Horizon View 5.2 on ESX55, and we have 2 stations. The station on your left is running the grid card, and we have Google Earth display. The station on the right is running a similar VMware Horizon 5.2 workstation without the accelerator. And as you can see, the graphics on that card are very, very poor. The graphics that are demonstrated here with the Nvidia card show the power of the Nvidia video processor on a virtual desktop. It's really breakthrough technology. It's something that people in the virtual desktop world have been looking for a very long time. And thanks to the partnership with Cisco, VMware, and Nvidia, it's here now. So you can get more information on all of our solutions at www.cisco.com/go/DC Design Zone.
Hi there, my name is Yvonne Dresser. I'm a Senior Product Marketing Manager on Zen Desktop. I cover HGX technologies, and I'm here today at VMworld. So actually what we're showing here is a 3D professional graphics application that in the past was very difficult to deliver in a virtualized environment. But now with the combination of Zen Desktop and HGX 3D Pro deep compression technologies, along with the grid technologies, anyone can effectively deliver this type of application with really good, smooth performance. This works over low bandwidth, high latency networks. You can get a really good visual performance with as little as 2 to 3 megabits of bandwidth. So the performance is just astounding. In addition, we are now on the cusp of integrating some new cutting-edge technology. It's called virtual GPU, where we can now actually virtualize physically the GPU as we do today with the CPU. What that means to end users is now you can more cost-effectively support graphics applications with a GPU in the data center. This is the first technology that's going to be on the market, and it'll be available only from Nvidia and Citrix. For more information about this exciting technology, please check out nvidia.com/VDI or ZenDesktop/3D.
Hello and welcome to VMworld 2013. My name is Chris Sampere and I'm a product manager with Hewlett-Packard, and I want to talk to you today about what we're showing here with HP Blade workstations and Nvidia graphics cards. So we're showing the power of Nvidia with HP Blades to be able to provide graphics accelerated VDI. And that's a new area for many VDI customers, but an area that's been needed for a long time. What we're showing is up to 8 users on one blade running Nvidia graphics on multiple machines and doing things like 3D graphics, video, a lot of workstation types of applications in the past were running on bare metal but are now in a virtualized environment. In addition, we're showing the power of some of the Nvidia cards that are available, like the K5000. We've got a car over here with a thin client, and all the work is being done on the back end on a Blade workstation with the K5000. We're also talking about the grid cards and the benefits of the grid cards to be able to potentially share GPUs among many users, and doing that on a Blade workstation that has the capability of being able to mix and match with other types of virtual machines in an environment that has east-west traffic, that's managed holistically, and can easily be attached to a flat SAN, a 3-part flat SAN. Hopefully, if you're out there, you'll go to www.hp.com/go/Blade workstation to find out more about it.
Hi everyone, my name's Mo Khan. I'm with the Dell Solution Center. You're here at the Dell booth. We're standing right next to a rack of gear. This is really exciting for us because we have the Nvidia gear in there. In the rack, basically what you see is a pair of R720 servers. The R720 servers each can host 2 grid cards side by side, and they have enough aux power and the cooling mechanism and all that in there to run those just fine. And what we've done is we've wired these over to these booths. And so we're actually live demoing Nvidia GPU virtualization capability both through the Grid K1 and the Grid K2. Not only that, we're also showing this with both VMware View Horizon's shared mode and also the dedicated mode. We also validate and certify those, partnering with Nvidia. You can walk into any one of the 14 Dell Solution Centers all over the globe, and they have the Nvidia Grid capability. And you can see that demo on premise. If you can't make it to one of our centers, you can actually see these remotely. We'll turn them on for you so that you can remote into a virtual desktop running at one of the centers and actually see the grid cards running. And if you'd like to learn more about our solutions, please visit www.dell.com/virtual-desktops.
Hi, my name is Victoria Reggae, Product Marketing Manager at Nvidia. for Nvidia Grid products. We're here at VMworld 2013 and it's been a great show. We've had thousands of people visiting our booth, asking questions, learning more about how Nvidia Grid products can accelerate virtual desktops and applications.
So without further ado, let's take a look at our winners.
So the big news here for NVIDIA at VMworld 2013 is that SearchServerVirtualization.com has awarded NVIDIA Grid the Judge's Choice Award for Best of VMware 2013. We're thrilled to accept this award, and we're really excited to be at the show. For more information about NVIDIA Grid products, please follow us on Twitter at NVIDIA Grid or visit us at www.nvidia.com/VDI.